Okay, this video is for Cicada, but not just like Cicada only. Okay, so Cicada, I'm a big fan of your content, and I'm another Therian, and if you see this video, please comment, because I'm a ginormous fan of your content, okay? And I'm sorry that you had a judgmental boyfriend. And I'm another Therian. If I already said that, then yeah. Please comment. I love your content. I watched that one video where you stayed outside for 24 hours with EJ and Penny. It was awesome. And I watched the video where you were unboxing stuff from Clippy Tales. I just love your videos, okay? Love you, Cicada.